welcome my dear student. Now in this video we discuss some design unit in VHDL. This is a very important terms. Now whenever we are trying to write program, we will very well known about what is the different units which are related with the design of any term. And now there are total in VHDL language there are total 5 design units available, and that design units are the entity. First is the entity, second is the architecture, third is the configuration, fourth is the packet declaration, and the fifth one is a package body. Now, as we know that this VHDL is nothing but it's one type of code. Now, whenever you are writing some code for to design certain things, we have to write that particular code or that particular language in a proper way, which is to be important. Now for that purpose the VHDL language gives some different units. There are total 5 units. First is the entity, second is the architecture. Now in the complete VHDL language, this entity and this architecture, these two terms are the very important. Means if you're trying to cover the complete design unit, or if you're trying to complete the complete design structure, so for that purpose the most important two terms are the entity and second one is the architecture. This entity and architecture, these two terms are the very important, because by using these two terms we are trying to we are writing the language, we are writing the program near about 80 to 90% completed. Then the next term will be configuration, other terms package declaration and package body will be the different one. But the important role will be played by the term of entity and the architecture. Now what is entity, what is architecture, that terms will be discussed in the next video. But we should understand, we should know about the entity and this architecture word, because this will play the very vital role, very important role in the VHDL language. Near about 80 to 90% will be role played by this entity and architecture in the any VHDL language. Without the upside of this, without in the absence of this one, there is no any program will be there. VHDL program is not to be there. So this VHDL, in terms of VHDL, the language will play the very important terms is architecture and the entity. Now the word is the entity. First we'll discuss the in short that what is this entity and also on. This entity is the term, for example in any of the certain program, it may be there are the number of entity terms will be there, either one or two or three, like that. Architecture should be the one, it should be original. Now another part is the third and very important is the configuration, and that configuration is a very important part. So it will play the 15% role in that. Without configuration we can't write it. For example, now what is meant by this configuration? For example, if the two guys Ram and Sham will go to the computer shopping and they bought the laptop, the price of the first laptop is 25,000 and the price of the second laptop is 50,000. The company of both the laptop is same. For example, Dell. The Sham purchased a laptop of 25,000 and Ram purchased laptop of 50,000 both. Now can you tell me the configuration of which laptop is more and which laptop is less? Definitely your answer is the sir, the price of this 25,000 laptop of Dell company will be the less configuration. Now this configuration contain what? In terms of the laptop, we will take the configuration of the laptop size, inches in inches, screen size in inches, also the memory that is to be applicable, important term, and a very important term is the processor that you are to be used. Similarly, that particular term is called the configuration. If suppose we have to design that, laptop is a very best example. But again, if you think on the smallest platform, the another example is a full adder. If you think that, if you have to design the adder, now someone told you that you have to design adder, then in your mind there is a question is that we have to design adder, but which adder? Because basically there are full adder, half adder, or carry look adder. So that term should be changed. But if I properly told to you that you have to design a full adder, then you definitely get that in the configuration, sir, there is a 3 input, 2 output, and the structure is like this one. So that is called as the important term, is the configuration. Now, after completing entity architecture configuration, the very important two concepts are package declaration and package body. This package declaration and package body will be the very vital, play the very vital role in terms of the programming, because normally they are not to be used in most of the programming. Because of that, the percentage of their use is only of 5% in the VHDL language, but which is also plays a very important role. And maximum time the package declaration and package body will be used while writing the most of the largest programming. So whenever there is a design very much complex or the critical, at that time this package declaration and package body is used at most time. So these are the 5 design units in the VHDL language. That 5 design units are the first entity, architecture, configuration, package declaration, and the package body. Okay. Now the next part we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.